Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your standing, no equipment, upper body 10-minute quick hit. I know that's a mouthful, but we are going to get it done in just 10 minutes. We're not going to do a formal warm-up, so you can go ahead and start marching and just rolling through the shoulders. We're going to keep it upper body using no equipment, and we're doing it all from a standing position. So this is a great workout to do anytime, anywhere, maybe on your lunch break, a little break from work, when you get up in the morning before you go to bed. We're gonna keep it moving to also keep your heart rate up. So you have some options if you wanna keep some things stationary or if you wanna move a little bit more to get your heart rate up. We're gonna make those arms burn a little bit, but we are not taking it down for any push-ups or dips or anything like that. We're doing it all from a standing position. Go ahead and roll through your wrists and elbows. We're going to start with just a pull down for our back right here. So here, 10 minutes starts now. You're squeezing in your back. So I want you to imagine you have weight and you're pulling those shoulder blades in. So we're getting, think of the pull on this, right? Pull, squeeze, pull. If you want to add a little cardio, pull. I still want you to take it slow so you really squeeze in your back. Pull those elbows in. Now, sometimes we think, oh, we can't get our arms working without weights, or we can't do body weight, upper body without push-ups, dips, things like that. Not true. What is gonna make it work today is repetition. We're gonna get a lot of moves, repetition and intention, right? So I want you to really be thinking, look at the difference between this and this, right? I'm really making sure that I'm squeezing in those back muscles that I wanna work. All right, take it down right here, just pulse. Little squeezes in, right? Again, pulsing in. If you wanna get a little lower body working, sneak it in, get low in that plie. Squeeze 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Back is burning. Now let's take it to a push. Push. Instead of pulling, elbows in, and we're pushing to the sky, right? You can keep it just your upper body, or if you wanna get a little core right through here, right? And cardio. And again, look at the difference between just this and this. Squeeze, right? Whoo! It's gonna be some burn. Probably you're starting to feel it now. I know I am. Imagine you're pushing something heavy, not arching your back. You're keeping everything stable through here. Up and up. Breathe. Yes. Push. We did our pull, now we do our push overhead. Then we'll take it down, right? You're feeling those shoulders just by the fact that we're going over your head, but we're keeping it here, little pulses. Again, you can get low in that plie if you want. Just keep them here. Core stays engaged, push, breathe. Now take them up to the top, go down behind your head, right? So you're here, watch me, I'm pushing my hands in and I'm aiming to get low behind my head. If you can, push your hands towards each other, that'll keep the chest working, but it's also gonna make it harder for the triceps. You can have that knee here too. Squeeze in and out, in. Squeeze, elbows stay in, not out here. That's where you're gonna feel those shoulders, but push the elbows in, push the hands in. You get those triceps. Knees if you want a little cardio. Here we go, for 8, yes you can. 7, squeeze, 6, 5, 4. Don't worry, we're not gonna pulse from here. We're gonna pulse in the center. Little prayer pulse right here. Bring the elbows in this time, right? So instead of here, bring them here. Pulse, squeeze in. You don't have to stay low. If you don't want any legs, just keep it here. If you wanna get a little extra legs, keep squeezing. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Watch me, tap it back and push. Here, push, we're here. So little taps, again, if you need to shake them out, you can have a couple seconds to shake it out, but then I want intention, push, push. You can just keep it stationary if you'd rather be here. So relax in the upper body and shoulders and think about those triceps, right? They're still working. Squeeze, as if you had weights to push back. If it helps you, you can grip your hands like this or push from the hands. Little tap and back, tap and back, tap. Breathe. We're here. Keeping it moving, right? How's that heart rate? Feeling it a little bit, but hopefully you're feeling in the back and shoulders. Yes. Push to the ceiling, so it's triceps, back of the arms. 4, 3, 2, hold it here, little pulses, pulse. So watch me, I'm pulsing to the ceiling. Tap, 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 tap. Yes, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Switch your legs. You're gonna pulse them in towards each other, right? Tap. Little squeeze with a little tap if you want. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reach across. So really shake it out. All right, we're about halfway through. So now I want you to give everything a little breather. We're still keeping everything working. Reaching across. Yes, you can. Breathe. Yes, team. Keep going. If you want more cardio, tap it out. You can still keep it low impact, or you can take it a little higher. If you want less, just keep it here. Reach it down. Yes. I told you we could make those arms burn, right? Without any weights. Always good when we have weights, but if we can keep it moving, get low. Back to center. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Arms and abs right here. Take it to the side. This arm stays straight. Keep that arm out. This arm is pulling in for your core. If you need a little balance, grab onto a wall or a chair, but pull the core in, get the side. We got obliques, we got arms. Pull strong, here we go. Up and down, squeeze. And again, I want this arm straight out. I want you to keep that arm working, right? Pull, 4, 3, 2. Good, we're gonna pick up our pace. Squeeze, squeeze, but still intentional. Yes, keep this one out. I know. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, core, 2. Take it out right here, down, squeeze. As if you're lifting something, lateral raise. Little tap if you want. Tap, breathe. Squeeze. Keep it moving. 8, up. We'll get that other side with the arms and abs in a minute. Just level with the shoulders, making a T. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up right here. Pull it in strong. Again, this arm is out. Straight as you can make it, not letting it drop. Balance if you need to. Pull in for the core. 4, squeeze. 3, standing core. 2, a little quicker, right here. Up, up, squeeze. Pull it in. So really get that standing crunch too, while also pulling with the arms. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Turn them up right here. Squeeze it in and out. Breathe. Yes. You can tap and back. Squeeze. Breathe. Good. Little biceps. In. Keep them level with your shoulders. So we're not dropping it down to here. We're going to keep them working, right? You can go a little slower than me if you need to. That's okay. Squeeze. Good. Take them to the front. From here, biceps. Again, you can have flat hands if you can push, but again, make sure you know the difference. Squeeze. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take them out right here. Out. Squeeze in. Out. Squeeze in. Keep those arms bent. We're getting chest and shoulders and biceps. We got 4, 3, 2. Good. Watch the difference. Out, in, and here. Out, in. Don't worry too much about what you're getting. Out, in, out, in, and here. Whew. As long as those arms are burning, don't worry about that rhythm, right? I'm not getting it either. Hold it back right here. Pulse. Palms up. Squeeze to the back. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pulse it in, pulse. Breathe. If you want a little balance in core, bring one knee out. Then switch it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Palms down to the back. I want you to take it to a little hinge, right? So we're working all through the back and shoulders. Remember I, Y, and T that we do, we're gonna keep it hinged. We're going I, Y, T. Let's add an A right here. I, Y. This is it, team. T and A. Looks like this from standing. Y, T, and A. But when we add that hinge, we're gonna get low back working too. If you want, add some taps. I, Y, T, and A. I. Yes, team, so close. I, Y, T. Last one. Up, up, up. Hold it here. Pulse it down. Right? I know we're at our time, but keep it going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap it out. Woo! Roll those shoulders. Yes. Little taps. Hopefully you felt that. If you didn't, next time, come back with a little more intention or come back with some weights, even some water bottles or soup cans. Great way to just get a little bit of standing work. Again, really good office break in the middle of the day, get a little upper body. You don't even have to change into your workout clothes because we're keeping it low impact. We're keeping everything moving, but low impact, no equipment. Get it done. Chin to your chest. Make sure you get some good stretching. A big thing with our upper body is also mobility. So if you can hang off a chair or get those stretches through the back, grab if you can, drop those shoulders. And of course, check out any of my stretching videos and check out my other 10-minute quick hits. This is a great way to get something in. A lot of them are full body strength cardio, getting it all in, but they're all just 10 minutes. Let's get one big deep breath in and out. You did it. That was your standing, no equipment, upper body 10-minute quick hit. Great job, everybody.